In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under financial institutions. So we are going to deal with the subtopic central bank. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, one method through which the central bank can restrict the commercial bank's power of credit expansion is to have demand for increased special deposits, buy securities in the open market, decrease the cash ratio, reduce the rates of interest at which banks borrow from it. The right answer is option A, which is to demand for increased special deposits. Alright, the next question we have is this one. It says, by buying treasury bills, the Central Bank of Nigeria intends to reduce money supply in the economy, increase money supply in the economy, reduce the cash reserve ratio for banks, increase the capital base of commercial banks. So the right answer to this question is to reduce money supply in the economy. Okay, the next question I have here is this one. It says, one of the techniques of monetary control used by the Central Bank of Nigeria is monitoring the general price level, budget deficit, foreign exchange control, selective credit control. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, which is selective credit control. The next question is this one. It says, an increase in both the legal reserve ratio and discount rate has the effect of increasing the value of money, decreasing the quantity of money in circulation, increasing the quantity of money in circulation, decreasing the value of money. So guys, the answer to this question will be, it says an increase in both the legal reserve ratio and discount rate has the effect of, so the right answer to this question will be decreasing the quantity of money in circulation. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question, option B. The next question will be this one. It says foreign exchange control in most West African countries is enforced by the central banks, option A. Alright, the next question will be this one. It says the central bank's expansionary monetary policy is justified as a period. We have option A, when trade unions are clamoring for high wages, when the inflation rate is high and the economy is expecting a boom of economic depression accompanied by low capacity utilization, when the price of crude petrol is rising. The right answer is option C, which is economic depression accompanied by low capacity utilization. Okay, so that's it for this question. Next question will be this one. It says the monetary control instrument most effectively used by the Central Bank of Nigeria is the open market operation, margin requirement, reserve ratio, discount rate. So guys, the right answer to this question is option A, which is open market operations. Alright, next question is this one. It says, which of the following is not directly concerned with dealings in treasury bills? We have the central bank, commercial banks, discount houses, the stock exchange. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, which is the stock exchange. Very important. Next question is this one. It says, if CBN reduces money supply, the interest rate will remain unchanged, fluctuate, rise. So guys, the right answer to this question will be rise, option D. Very important. The next question will be this one. It says, if the central bank increases its bank rates, the supply of money may be reduced, customers will borrow more from banks, many banks will shut down their operations, interest charges by banks will fall. So guys, if the central bank increases its bank rates, the supply of money may be reduced. That will be the answer to this question. Okay, so the next question will be this one. Says the role of the central bank in the economic development of Nigeria is to use checks and bank drafts to facilitate business transactions, give short and medium term loans to the public, maintain a stable price system, give financial and technical advice to customers. The right answer is option C, which is to maintain a stable price system. Next question is this one. It says, which of the following is used by the Central Bank of Nigeria to control inflation? We have exchange rate, discount rate, tariff, import, tax rate. So the right answer to this question is option B, which is discount rate. Next question is this one. It says, Which of the following is an example of expansionary monetary policy by the Central Bank of Nigeria? We are increasing the reserve ratio, increasing the discount rate, buying treasury securities from commercial banks, lowering income taxes. So guys, the right answer to this question is the example of expansionary monetary policy by the Central Bank of Nigeria is buying treasury securities from commercial banks. Okay, the next replay question will be this one, and it says, which financial institution is charged with the formulation of monetary policy in Nigeria? So it's the Central Bank of Nigeria. The next question is this one. It says, if the Central Bank of Nigeria reduces the bank rate, this will cause money supply to increase, money supply to reduce, commercial banks to reduce lending, commercial banks to merge, it will cause money supply to increase. Next question is this one. It says the use of bank rate, cash ratio, and open market operation constitutes. We have import policy, export policy, fiscal policy, monetary policy. The right answer is option D, which is monetary policy. Last question before I end this video is this one. It says, all the following objectives of monetary policy of the government except to increase price stability, to increase the amount of foreign debt, to maintain stable exchange rate, to achieve economic growth. The right answer, the exception here is to increase the amount of foreign debt. So these are you can do problems involving financial institution for the subtopic Central Bank of Nigeria. I practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's click the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button and be getting premium information that help you to excel in your external exams like your JAMB and other external exams should be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next corner above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.